Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am your host Chris. So today I'll be doing a quick review of this awesome heavy duty director's fishing chair brought to you by Ozark Trail. Honestly, this is one of the best heavy duty director's chair I have seen on the market, I want to say, and in stores. I mean, this thing is no joke. And I mean, obviously Ozark Trail brings you some halfway decent products worth looking into and purchasing. So you tell me what you think of this review. So I just recently picked this up from a local Walmart, and I was looking for a good heavy duty chair for fishing and camping purposes, and I like to go to a lot of beaches and parks. So I want a chair that's gonna honestly last. I also want one that folds up halfway. I mean, that folds up flat, which this chair definitely does. But this is more than a heavy duty director's chair. I mean, this thing has all types of features, starting with that this material is very well made, and it's like it seems like it's stitched all the way along. Now I like this color, that it's dark green and dark gray, and then also on the back you can see that it's like it has an open mesh feature. That way your back is not sweating on a hot sunny day outside or a muggy day. And then let's start from this side. On this side, believe it or not, you can actually use this chair. You can actually wear it as a backpack. I have never seen this on a camping chair. This is the very first time that I've seen such a nice feature on a camping chair. And I actually worn this earlier on my back, and you can barely feel it. I mean, obviously, it feels like wearing a regular backpack, honestly. And then on this side, it's got plenty of features. Here you have plenty of pouches right here. You have like a cell phone holder. In here you have a nice size pouch. Then you also have, and this does zip up all the way. I mean, this has a double zipper, one from this side and one from the right hand side. And then you also have a mesh pouch right here to put your maybe a few accessories and whatnot. Then you have another mesh pouch here, and then you have these features. I'm not sure what these are for, to be honest. Maybe to put some small like fishing accessories and whatnot. And then in this large pouch, make sure if you are interested in buying this chair, this pouch goes all the way from here all the way to the bottom, so you can really place some accessories in here. But this chair comes with two fishing rods. I'm going to show you guys this here in a minute. So these rods, make sure you get your two-piece rod set when you purchase this chair. So I'm trying to do this with one hand. So you get this piece right here, okay? And obviously you loosen this up, and then this will probably fit any fishing chair out there. You can probably use this fishing rod on another chair that you have, okay? And that's what it looks like. And then once you place that, then you place this piece. It's easier to do it on the ground. Then you place this piece into it, and there goes your fishing rod chair. And there's also like a strap right here, so that way you never have to hold your fishing pole. So this is a nice feature, and this is like an added bonus, honestly. And then on top of that, let me put these aside. Let's get these out of the way. And then on top of that, you have this is actually an adjustable director's chair, which this feature I absolutely love. If you pay close attention to the to the feet of this chair, you can see that here these are heavy duty, thick black balancing feet, I want to call them. Not only that, because a lot of times when you go fishing and whatnot, and you go to camping, like sometimes I go to the beach, to the sites I go to, a lot of times the ground is not even. So this will help out, even out this chair. And better yet, when you press this button right here, this black button right here, this chair is actually adjustable. So I'm going to lift the chair, and as soon as I press it, you can see that the feet completely extend. So I'm going to go ahead and do these other ones, and you'll see what I'm talking about. That way, if you're a taller person, and I think these extend, I want to say 4 to 5 inches, maybe 6 inches at the most, and it's very easy. And you can even use this feature, say, if you're sitting downhill, and as you can see, this really extends. I'm going to extend this one even more. Actually, and these are spring loaded, by the way, when you use this feature. And let's see if I can do this. So as soon as you press the button, it does release the spring, so it goes down. And I just raised this chair. Actually, it's not. I don't think it's even right now. Let me do this one here. Try to do this side. As you can see, this chair is about maybe 4 to 5 inches taller than what it was a moment ago. Let me get these out of the way and back up here. And as you can see now, this chair is a lot higher. I mean, I am personally 5'8", but if you're a taller person and you've got long legs, as some people do, this chair would be awesome. I mean, honestly, and this chair is rated at, it says it can hold 300 pounds on the Walmart website. I believe that's what I read. So this is definitely worth the $60, and this is heavy duty aluminum right here. It's all heavy duty aluminum and folds up nice and easy. So this is definitely worth the buy. If you're looking for a good heavy duty fishing director's chair that has adjustable legs like you see here on the bottom, I would definitely look into purchasing one of these, because this will outlast many other chairs out there. And weight wise, I want to say this chair maybe weighs about 14 or 15 pounds. A little bit on the heavy side, but like they say, you get what you pay for. You have the heavy duty mesh right here. Okay, then you also have this heavy duty aluminum, because I have another chair from another company. It's almost as heavy, but it doesn't have half the features that this chair does. All right, so I will leave the links in the description for you guys to check out if you're interested in such a good chair, something that's gonna last you a long time. And if you guys enjoyed this type of content, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please sub right now. I'd really appreciate that. It doesn't cost you anything, but it means a whole lot to me, so I can bring you some more content down the road. Other than that, I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.